Hey, I'm going to do an unboxing of a Piscifun Xs 60 baitcast reel. All right, just got this in today. It's from Piscifun. It's a Chaos Xs 60 baitcaster. And looks like it comes with cool. So you can, I guess you can order these parts if need be. Yeah, that's awesome. So these are the reels I normally use. They're Bass Pro Shop. They're pretty old. I got a ton of them. They're MCM 2000. They're okay, but I've heard a lot of stuff. Man, I've heard a lot of stuff about these, and they're not very expensive either. Awful pretty. They come with a little wrench too. But this is it. The Piscifun Chaos XX 60. That's hard to say. Comes 6+1 ball bearings, 5.3 to 1 gear ratio. Oh, that's smooth too. Wow. They're a little bit wider than my Bass Pro, so I'd say it'll hold more string. Look at this. The drag has got a clicker on it. No kidding. Shoot, it's just about the same as that, actually. It's got the tension when you cast, just like the Bass Pro Shop. It's wider though. I like the way it's wider. Definitely. And where it's mounted to the reel, it's got four mounts instead of two. That's nice. It's nice and tight. Everything's tight on it. Like I said, I just pulled it out of the box. They just dropped it off. I got off work, and it was here. It's a good looking reel, man. They have a black one. It's all black. And then they have this one. Man, I love that power handle. Very, very comfortable. It's not like you got a great big giant ball in your hand. You know, you got this. It's nice. See what the clicker sounds like. Clicker's all right. This one's louder, but you can feel. I don't like it. That's what I'm going. I'm going to all these. Definitely like that. I don't really use the clicker much. But God, I can't believe how smooth that is. Whew. Man, I can't wait to fill this bad boy up. It's nice. And the click. Does this thing click? No. This clicks when you. That's nice. I love it. Heck yeah. So this is going to go on this Mondo Cat rod. I've had these for a couple years. Actually, Mondo Cat, he sent these to me. He sent me 3 of them. Mondo Max 6.5 or 7.5. medium heavy. They're going to work pretty good on here. And actually, yeah, it's going to be nice. I got a couple of these rods. But I love this thing. And it wasn't expensive. $70, I think it was. Yeah. $70. Chaos XS 60. So it's as big as like the 6000s you get. You know. That's super smooth. It's so cool. It's pretty good size reel too, man. But that's it, I guess. That's my unboxing. It's like one of my first videos. I might start doing a couple of them because I'm going to get more of these. Definitely. The Piscifun Chaos XS 60. I'm going to go try it out. Probably tomorrow. Catch you guys later.